Take your Excel skills to the next level. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a custom navigation menu in Excel. With just a click, navigate directly to specific sheets, saving you time and effort. Let's get started and build a custom slide bar that lets you jump to any sheet with ease. With your data ready, navigate to the View tab. Uncheck the grid lines. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes. Select Rectangle. Draw shape as per your requirement. Adjust. Remove Shape Outline. Click on Shape Fill. Click on Gradient. More Gradient. Choose your desired gradient, or pick the colors of your choice. Go to the Insert tab again. Click on Shapes. Select Rectangle Shape. Draw. Adjust as per your requirement. Go to Shape Fill, choose your desired color. Go to Shape Outline and remove the outline. Go to the Insert tab, click Illustration Group, Shapes, select Text Box, Draw. Adjust and reposition text box, type your text. Go to the Format tab. Remove Shape Fill. Remove Outline. Go to the Home tab, click on Font, and change the text color. Apply bold and other font effects. You can also apply text effects from Format tab. Press Ctrl and drag the text box to create multiple copies. Select all text boxes and adjust their positions as needed. You can use the arrow keys. To align the text boxes to an equal position, click on Align, Align Left, and then distribute vertically. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Illustration Group. Select Icons. Type the icon name here. Choose your icon and click the Insert button. Click on Graphics Fill. Change icon color. Drag and reposition it. Then apply the desired effect from the Graphics Effects options. Also add other icons. Update the previously added text boxes with different names. Similar to how you created unique sheet names. Select the text box, press Ctrl+K to insert a link, click Place in this document, select the sheet name you want to link to, and press OK. Repeat this linking process for other text boxes, linking each to its corresponding unique sheet. Go to the Insert tab. Click Illustration, Shapes. Select Rounded Rectangle, Draw. Adjust. Go to the Shape Fill. Change color. Remove outline. Click on Send Backward from the Arrange group to send the shape backward. You can also apply various shape effects to enhance the visual appeal, such as shadows or glow effects, as per your choice. Select these columns, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then press Ctrl+V to paste into each of the other sheets. Go to the second sheet and drag the rounded rectangle shape into the second text box. Then, go to each subsequent sheet and drag the shape into the corresponding text box. Now see the result. You can also watch our Excel tutorial series from basic to advanced. Check out the playlist on our channel to learn Excel for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.